Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Bfix. So today we got another package from eBay USA. So I bought some surprise for you guys. So and for this surprise I will review it and then put it in the YouTube. And before this surprise, you have 3 seconds to comment it, what it is, what's inside. Okay, 3 seconds is done. So now I will open it. So the package seems really good. I bought it from eBay. You can see the eBay sale. So that one, oh yes, yes, ta-da! Now you can see. Whoa, one nice wrapper, another wrapper, and here, whoa, whoa, whoa. So that's it. I bought 3 third generation Apple TV. They are so cute. It looks really nice, really gorgeous as usual. And they are, I think only one of them is very clean, but others are okay. So that one is very looks nice and clean. That one has scratch on it. So I bought 2. So should I continue? Okay, let's. And then I have like 2 silver remote from Apple. So I think I should continue. First of all, this Apple TV is its model number is, I think, A1469. You can see probably here A1469. So this is Apple A1469, which is a 2012. It's released in 2012. Okay, it's a 3rd generation Apple TV. It has 2 variants. Okay, one is A1427 and one is A1469. So A1469 is 1080, that's means full HD, and another one is A1427, which is HD, that means 720p. And so it is now 2024, and this was released in 2021. So you can imagine there are many apps which will not be supported by this, but still now if you update this Apple TV, hopefully it will support most of the app. But it is still better than the Chinese, those MXQ Pro or any other all-winner chipset kind of, you know what I mean, all of those um, which have lots of bloated virus, spyware, and many things. It's better than that, right? This is Apple TV, and it's suppose is most probably it has iTunes on it, so you can connect to the Apple service. You can get lots of features such as music, Apple Music. You can get Apple TV Plus. You can get Netflix. Most probably you can also download the Amazon. I will try to see what's inside as an app, what kind of app I install later on. So that will be my next video when I put, and then I'll put it in the YouTube after my review. How fast is it? How is this Apple TV is? But before that, let's continue with the review and unboxing. First of all, this is, as far as you know, it's an 1080p model, full HD model. It has Ethernet connection. Here you can see it has an Ethernet connection, but it's 100 MB Ethernet connection, which is poor, I would say. And it has Wi-Fi 802, so it's mean 2.4 gigahertz probably. And then it's 802.11a. So if it is 802, that's mean it's in 2.4 gigahertz, I think, but I'll check, most probably. Okay, and then it has optical audio. You can see there is an optical audio port, so you can certainly hear the iTunes good music, like high-res music, using this one to your TV. Then there is an HDMI. Certainly there is an HDMI. So obviously you can use the HDMI connection to your TV. Then there is this power cord connection. So that's it. You don't need any adapter. It's just a cable. You plug the cable and you start. It will power on. Okay, and that's it. And this is like, here you can see it's a federal, and then there is CE. That means it will run in both Europe and USA. So it's approved by the authority. And it has a micro USB port. This micro USB port is for other device maintenance purposes, for service and support. So you don't have any really use of it. And the make, as usual, there is a Apple logo in here. And then the TV is a full black and matte. It's a matte black, but there is a glossy. The side is kind of like a glossy black, and backside is kind of like smooth, but it's still black. So that's it. That's all the port and all the feature it has. Unfortunately, as you know, the recent release of 2021, the Apple 4K TV that is released has the ventilation, but here you don't see any kind of like any hole or whatever to for flowing the air and like removing the hot like, there is nothing for the ventilation. Okay, so I don't know how it will perform, but let's this is the outside review. Now I'll go for the inside review, whatever it has, what's its specs. And as usual, it has a silver Apple remote control with it. So for the tech spec specification, it is a third generation Apple TV, and its height is 0.9 inch. It's like 23 millimeter, and its width this way is around 3.9 inch, and depth is around 3.9 inch. Okay, so 3.9 inch, and weight is 0.6 pound. So 0.6 pound is give or take 300 grams. And in an intake box you will get a remote control, a TV box, and power cord, and some documentation. But I bought it from eBay, so I just got those two parts. I even didn't get the cable. I have the cable, power cord, so I'll try it out later on. And this box has Apple's own SoC. It's called A5. It's a single core chip. And for streaming, you can either use the Wi-Fi connection or the LAN connection. Okay, so as you know, the Wi-Fi connection is 2.4 gigahertz and the LAN connection is 10/100 base, which means probably 100 megabit. And you will have iTunes for renting and playing music, video, or whatever. You can do the AirPlay certainly from your Mac, PC, or whatever. And you can also use MLB.tv subscription. You can use NBA.com subscription. You can use NHL game software subscription. Okay, and ports and interface, I already mentioned what it has. It has Bluetooth support, but it mentions like Bluetooth is only for the Apple keyboard. I'm not sure, like, is it okay for, like, I'm not sure. I'm saying, like, I will check. Really, does it work for every other devices, peripheral, or whatever? And the environment operating temperature is maximum temperature it can work is 32 degree to 95 degree Fahrenheit. This device. And relative humidity is kind of 5% to 95%. I don't know. Non-condensing. I don't know what it is. So the power. Okay, so it has built-in 6-watt universal power supply. That's what I said. So it has inside an adapter, built-in adapter. So you don't need any adapter. You just need to cord the power. You just need the power cord. That's it. So for the video format, it supports H.264. If it is an A1469 model, then it is 1080. If it is a 1427 model, then its highest resolution supported is 720p. It supports from H.264 mainline and high profile both. So main and high profile both it support. Baseline profile level is also support, but 3. It has AAC LC audio support, 160 kilobit per second, which is pretty good. It has 48 kilohertz, so basically it's a high-res audio, so you can basically play high-res audio on it. Then it has support for MPEG-4 video audio also. So, but that is a limitation. For MPEG video, you can play only 640 by 480. Okay. And there is a motion MJPEG which support up to 35 megabit per second, and it support 720p, and it also support ULOP, PCM stereo, or most of the things. Okay, so that's it. To get the best video quality from this device, you need to have a better HDMI cable. They recommended to use the Belkin HDMI. Okay, and I think not the Belkin. I think for the Belkin you need to use the Belkin optical audio cable, and for HDMI they recommended you to use the Apple HDMI cable. So that's it for now. I will try it out and check how good is it, and I hope you like my review on unboxing. I will try to put a better quality video and better review next time when I plug it to my television. So that's it for now, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye everyone.